Okay, today we are going to be working on a cursive E. So the cursive E, again, looks a lot like a print E. The difference is that we're starting right about here in the middle of the bottom section, going around and out. So you're going to start actually right here where that arrow is, down, around, and out. Around the middle, back around and out. So remember, you should be tracing and then printing one or doing one on your own after that. Trace and then do it by yourself. Same thing on this line. You should be tracing, doing one by yourself. Tracing, doing one by yourself. When you get here, then you're tracing and doing it by yourself all the way down the line. What you don't want to do is something that looks like this. You want it to still be in the shape of an E. Kind of like if we were doing a print E, you still want to have that same form. Alright, you don't want to go up and down like that. I should be able to see that the top half looks a little bit more that way instead of up and down. So, pretty easy letter. When you get down here, again, do the best you can with the letters we haven't learned. So, egg, E, G, G. So what I'm looking at specifically is the E. That wasn't a very good one. Let me try again. Turn it more this way. There we go. So I want my E to look more like that, not up and down like that. That would be a bad example. This is a better one. Now, when we get down to east, you've done E and A, so I should be able to see a nice cursive E and into the A that we learned earlier this week. S and T are new. Do the best you can. E into the A. Pay close attention to how I go from the E into the A. Some of us had trouble with that yesterday, so pay close attention to that. Exact might be a little bit tricky for you because of this X, so kind of look. It goes E, and you actually don't cross your X until the end. So that's kind of a tricky one. So you're going to go E, you're going to do this part of the X into the A. And then you have to go back and slash your X. So this is a tricky one. Pay close attention to the video right here. E, this part of the X, A, which you know how to do, C, T, slash your X. Even has two E's that you can work with, E, V, E, N. I'm looking closely at these two E's that you do. E, V, E, N. Elephant has got some E's and an A, so I want to see good transitions from those letters. So E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Looking for those transitions with your E and your A. All right, the next letter for today is I. And I's, again, we're thinking about a print I, looks just a line and a dot. This I is just going to start here so that we have a little line to connect it to whatever letter it's in the word. So I, dot. I, dot. Trace, do it yourself. Trace, do it yourself. Same thing here, up, down, one line, and dot your I. Down here, you're going to add it to some other words. I into a T. So you'll dot your I, cross your T. I, T. Almost the same form until you dot and cross. I, T. Dot, cross. Ill, I-L-L. Make sure your I and your L's can be told apart. I versus an L. Ice, I, C, which is a lot like the A that we did. We've done the letter C, and we've done E. So ice is a great word for practice today. I, C, E. Put all three letters together. I, C, E. Igloo, I-G-L-O-O. Just looking for that nice I going into the G, which starts like the A, except it dips down. Igloo. Imagine, I, 3 bumps, and an A there that you should be able to get into, and an E. I, 3 bumps for the M, A, G, which is a lot like an A except it goes down here, I, N, E. Dot your I's. Alright, so take your time, do the best you can, and let me see it when it's done.